If you've downloaded Anthropic's Claude Code desktop app and tried to run Claude Code, only to get an aggravating message that says you need to install Git and Git for Windows is required to run local sessions, set an environmental variable to bash.exe. So if you have absolutely no idea what to do next, let me show you how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is try to run Claude Code to see if you get the message prompting you about installing Git. If you do, click the Download Git button and you'll go to the site. Or go to the site directly by using this link, and I'll put it below as well. When you get to the site, download Git for your operating system. In my case, I download the Windows version. After download completes, just install Git as you would any other app, and you can just accept the defaults while you go through the installation process. Now here's where most people get stuck. After installing Git, they go back to Claude Code and try to run it again, only to get the same message, even though they just installed it. It's like nothing even changed. So to make everything work, you have to set up an environmental variable. And this variable needs two things: the correct name and the file path. From your search bar, do a search for environmental variables. It'll bring you to a system properties window, and you'll want to click on the environmental variables button. Then click new. For the variable name, you want to type in the text Claude_code_git_bash_path. And for the variable value, you need the file path to the bash.exe. The easiest way to find this path is to open where you installed Git, then open the bin folder, and just copy the file path. Then paste it in, and make sure to add /bash.exe at the end because it's very important. Go ahead and click OK all the way out. The next step is to restart your PC. After the restart is complete, you can open the Claude desktop app, type in what you want Claude Code to do, go ahead and submit it, and you're all set. And that's all you need to do. Now, one of the cool things you can do with Claude is analyze stocks. This video will walk you through how to do it.